Yeah. So this is one of the pieces I have in the latest issue of World War III, a magazine that has now been around for, I believe, 42 years. And I originally did this piece for Charlie Hebdo, actually. I do a lot of work on environmentalism. And when I did it there, it was reversed, where the monarch butterflies were, the last image was more like the skull. And happily, I can report that recent news is that there has been a bit of a comeback of the monarch butterfly, and the numbers went up, which is one of those rare pieces of good news. So actually, it's my dream with the artwork is that you create something and that helps sort of create the reality, that, like, like a magic pen, that I've done so many dark things about bad stuff that I'd like to now turn that around and do things that I'd like to see. Art doesn't have to just depict the way the world as it is, but it can depict the world as you would like to see it. So that's what I'm hoping for.